I believe I would be able to land it. Hopefully, because I don't want to. I don't want to use another 36 minutes to try and land it. Might have to like switch stuff around, but if we're gonna call this good. Let's see here. So we need some RCS engines. Let's just bring the big ones. These are the biggest one. Why can't I pick it? What's going on? Game. I feel like the game's locked. Okay. Can't take anything. How about now? No. Just make a save, maybe? Try and go out and in again. Just see if that helps. Oh. Did the game crash? No. Weird. Can we take stuff now? Yes. Sweet. The big RCS engines. Put that there for a second. And turn these on. So. Center of mass is approximately in the middle there. Should I pull these a little back here? What the heck happened there? Glitch much? Yes, good. Just try to move one elevator. Make them a little closer here. Like so. And then we can pull the wing back a little bit. Maybe a little bit too much. Just because we can. Something like that. Maybe get that wheel back a touch too. Hey, almost eyebolted. Nice. And then put like the little wing thingy. Kind of want to have the little wing thingy. Mostly because the little wing thingy I think might be looking cool. Maybe. Somewhere. Maybe not there. Maybe just behind that. And it gives us a little more control. We could just make this... we could make this just... maybe pitch and roll, or just roll. These out here could be just roll. These could be just pitch. And these could be just yar. Yar. Oh. Other way around. Perfect. And do these have gimbal? They actually do have a little gimbal. Cool. So it has a little more lift in the back, but it should be We should be fine. What if I take the tank out? How does it look then? Still, oh. Still have the lift behind the center. So that's good enough. So the mass is a little more in the middle of this tank here. It's a little more in the front when we put 4.5 tons in the cargo bay. So let's try and eyeball this just a tiny bit. Should be about there. Maybe we should I think it's number this one. Let us turn it. Oh, turn it that way. Looks better that way. Then maybe one here. See if we can't turn that one. Can't even see if it's straight. Whoa. Can I aim on this? I cannot. Perfect. Oh, what? I can turn this camera this way. Try the turn ball again. I think that's there. Then number 2. Okay, I think that's this one is a little closer to this one is a little closer to the center of mass. Let's move this a little bit here. Rock. Sweet, I think. So on the other side of this thing, can we do like a couple of radiators? Couple of radiators. Hey, Saint Murdoch. Chungus SSTO. No, it's. I want to build an even bigger one, but I don't have the science to have the big plane things. I kind of want to build like an SSTO where you have like a rover in the back that you could just drive out and onto Duna, like a science rover kind of thing. But yeah, it looks pretty much the same as the other ones I've done. Of course, a little different, but my imagination don't extend to do much other than this kind of plane thing. But at least now we have the Rapier engines and we have the nuclear engines. I'm hoping I can do it. That's definitely the next step, I think. When we get back from Tuna with this, hopefully with a lot of science, we can do like a big science rover and put that inside of a even bigger SSTO and then fly that to Duna. So I hope so. What was I thinking? Oh yeah, the radiators. Can I do like a little radiator? A little bit makes it look It's better on the underside. Could be on the underside. Maybe like this. Over here. No. To cool down our crew cabin area. Excuse me. Maybe we could put it there and then maybe turn it around. That could actually be a thing. Maybe... maybe turn it a little more. Something like that. Just to have a little bit of cooling. And then I'm thinking on doing a nuclear power thingy up. There it is. Yeah, we could do 2. Okay, let's do 2. Okay, how to do this? Let's see. We need a holding tank. Let's just put. Okay, we can't put it on the end. This guy is have to go there. Fair enough. So let's see here. We need the down here. Yeah, the small converter tron. How much does that weigh? 1.25 ton. And how much did this weigh? I can't see. It weighs 1.5 ton when it's full. What was the weight difference between the radial tank and the small holding tank? That's a half a ton, and this was 350. So these are actually a little. Well, okay. If I needed, I need 4 of these. Can't do math. 150. Yeah, 4 of these. For one of these. So if I have 4 of those, that's 400. That's also 500. It doesn't really need to be that much. Let's see here. How much is this? The tank with the fuel we had in here when we were testing was 4.5 ton. Okay, so let's try and where's this auto mission robotics? That's the name. And a hinge. And a 1. And a 2. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to do something with that. So if that goes out like that when we have landed, then we need like a can kind of maybe edge this in a little bit like this. This one can also go a little in like this. And this could be random thought. I wonder if anyone has built an SAS wheel rover. Like I just roll over the ground instead of using wheels. Oh, now I understand what you mean. I don't know if people did that, but I understand what you're coming from, but I know I'm not playing like realism overhaul kind of thing and role playing it really hardcore, but if you were sitting like in a seat and rolling around, I think you'd get maybe car sick at least. Maybe, unless I misunderstand. It's still sticking through. Okay, I'm gonna compact it a little more just because I can. Oop. Ah, crap. Control set. Let's make it like that, and then take this one and make it like really snug. I don't think I can compress that thing anymore, so we can compress this like this maybe. How close are we now? Oh, that fit perfect. Okay, so this is going to be tough. It's gonna be tough watching also, I think. How the heck are we gonna do this? Okay. Let's turn it around. Maybe we can eyeball it with the oh, I need to, there it is. Zoom. Yeah, the glide unit. Super lightweight, yeah. Could try it at some point. Can we get any closer now? We can't. It's just typical. Can I? Oh, I can. I can just do it like this. Hopefully. Okay. Where's the digging tool? Okay, we could have used this hinge maybe. Nah, it's too wide, I think. Yeah. Oh, let's just use the other one. I guess it's fine. Hopefully. It's fine. Do I want to make it like I probably need like a do I need like a drain port? Drain valve. We're trying to solve the internal issue with the FTX10 fuel line. An engineer of Fluid dynamics had blah 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 blah. I don't think I ever used that. So let's try and put in a drain valve on this one. So if we don't want to take off Duna with a full load of ore. Of course, we can make the ore into fuel, so we could probably fly anywhere. We could also fill this on the asteroid field and then fly to Duna. But then we have to land with a fuel, with a full ore thingy. Definitely don't want to take off from Kerbin. And I don't think we want to land on Kerbin with a full tank. So yes, a drain point is still a good idea. If we can use that to actually drain this. I don't know. Maybe we should test it. Actually, I'm not sure how it works. I can't remember if I ever used a drain port. You know, I just drain the fuel out of the engine. So let's fill this up and do a quick save and do a test. Maybe we should also... Oh, did the game crash now? Game. Nope. Dope. Oh, it's a test. Oops. Let's see if we can... Drain rate 10%. Drain mode part. Vessel part. Let's just empty the vessel. No, sorry, the part. Drain. Something tells me it can't drain that. Oh, there it is. Oop, there it is. Okay, that's how it works. Fair enough. Oh, I need to lock the hinge. Okay, fair enough. That's how it works. Should be oh, it goes back in time, so it doesn't matter. I was about to say should we speed ahead to daylight, but yeah, but you could probably do like a rover with no wheel and SAA wheeled rover that's unmanned. Then it would need like, you know, to roll out to get the science and roll back to a specific point if I want to put it on into a science lab. I'm just continuing the thought of your message from before, Saint Murdoch. Yeah, I really don't know. Misa, don't know. Let's put a... Do you think one drilling tool should be enough? This one, I think. Just do the small one, right? Can you feel the love tonight? Should probably... Well, let's go redundant. How heavy is this? Quarter ton. Yeah, sure. Um, so super small, super lightweight in low grav. Maybe even a return to low orbit ship. Is what is the moon of Duna? Is that Ike, right? Is that a low gravity or no gravity? Would the yeah, I follow you. I follow your thought. It's actually not, maybe not a bad idea. I did like one rocket with. I had eight small satellites, communication satellites, and then a big one that I put in orbit around Duna and, is it Ike that the moon is called? I can't remember. But the moon of Duna, um, in one go. It took long after or off camera. It took a little longer to put all the satellites into orbit because there wasn't any reason to do that for 2.5 hours. But if you do something similar, but you definitely need like a low gravity moon or planet if you want to do a return with the science return capsule could just be like a hard drive with all the data, and then just maybe a small docking port or something, and then like a vessel in orbit that could like have like a small docking port that it could dock to and get the science, and maybe just enough so you can actually deorbit that, or maybe just have like an extra satellite doing an extra communication so your coverage is better. Could be a good idea, but then I have to research which planet should be the right one. Okay, let's try and place this. Turn around, not that way, this way, and then maybe stuff it into like this. And actually, maybe it should be. How far up can we bring it? Should definitely turn it a little bit. Not that way. Definitely not that way. Not stop. Something like that. It's still glitching a little bit into these tanks here, but if we brought it up, could we free it? Okay, now we can't close the... but again, the bay doors are glitching into this tank here, so... a little bit of glitches is probably unavoidable. Let's try and keep this inside. Okay. So if we go like that... yeah, low gravity is... sorry. Low gravity is definitely a good idea. This one maybe. Oh, there it was. And then deploy drill. It should be able to go into the ground. That's good. And then this one better set to... take this to like 40 maybe. We don't go too far. 40. I think 40 is too far already. 35. 30. Okay, so let's bring this back. Let's auto this, and auto this, and then make this be 0, right? So we don't go too low. And then lock this one. So that's pretty much it. That means we're gonna use a lot of power. Wow. Oh, we got the nuclear thingamabobs here. Those are just, you know, so we don't have to fly around with the solar panels out. But guess we need more power. Maybe we should, just for the fun of it, put like a couple of these and angle them. Approximately the same, so they kind of light up. We can use this one. Maybe turn them a little bit here. So it lights up the wing. Maybe duplicate it. Maybe pull it over here. Like so. Should probably... Do you think these radiators is enough? Or should we kind of like put a bigger radiator? Could kind of just do one. Put that on top of that. Maybe remove that. No, not remove it, but move it. Oof. How far can we take that in? I think that's... Ooh, it's not bad. Can I close this now? Yes. Sweet. Okay. Hopefully that's going to work. Let's try and test it. Let's try and test this. Let's turn this bad boy around. Let's save it and launch it. Do you think the maintenance department would kill me if I tried to like drill and mine on the runway? I think they probably would hate me. Maybe we should put some more power on it too. We only have like 150 charge. Okay, so we don't start up anything. We just want to test this. We can sneak in here. Yes, please. And then... Not that one. Oh, yeah, it's locked. Unlock. It already hangs. Okay, unlock that. Deploy. I think this is gonna work. Deploy. Start service harvesting. Oh, that's a hard word. Hard work. Thermal efficiency 100. Core temperatures rising. It's above 500 Kelvin. So be what? Gonna overheat? And we're out of power. Okay, so we definitely need some more solar panels. How was the lights? It's spot on where we're drilling. Yeah, they enjoy fixing potholes. Yeah, you know, we gotta keep them busy, right? So retract and retract, and then we can. I don't know. We don't have room for anything, so we can't really convert anything. Anyways, can I? Oh, damn. And that's not the right one. Or is it? Oh, it's a hinge. Unlock. Oh. If we lock it and it's oh. It's hanging. It's hanging out. So if I go back and set the one axis to more than 0, maybe minus 30. Save that. And let's turn it around. Launch it. Wonder if that's going to work. Unlock. It's kind of funny. It says it's a -9 in angle. Oh, it's sticking out there. Okay, 9. Then log it. Close it. Oh, sweet. Okay. Just do it like that. Of course, when we come to Duna, the gravity is lower, so it should hang less. Well, it's fine. Give ourselves a little bit of room for wiggling. Okay, so we got the RCS, and we got a way to get more fuel. We need to get Kerbals out. I actually need to check how the... I think the Kerbals come out here. Or do they come out here? I guess it depends on its... If the Kerbals are here, they'll probably come out. Never mind. I need to check that. See if we are going to be like... thrown. Then we need... I guess it's a good test. If we can get out here and get up again, we can do it on Duna. Let's see, Jebediah. EVGA, hatch, obstructed, so we can't get out that way. But if we move... transfer crew... Okay, let's transfer Bill into here, and then we say EVA. Okay, comes up to here. Okay, so we have a way out where we don't, you know, get flung away. So he can go, he can actually just go over here, and then he can go over here. And then we can make like a ladder down. Maybe we should put like a wing section. I wonder if I left Bill on the runway now. I did not. Good. We could do like a straight piece wing thing. Piece wing thing. This one, for instance. Maybe that's too wide. That's probably too small. No, actually, it seems fine. You can put it like so. Probably have to check the. Probably have to make something similar on the bottom of it. Otherwise, it's probably... Or maybe it actually... It's probably gonna be fine.